What up, y'all? Every penny counts. I'm on my site. Prize Rebel, link is in the description. Sign up below, you will get a bonus. Alright, so I'm gonna do a cash out in this video. You see here my balance at the top, $6.42. I'm gonna cash that out. As always, I'm gonna show you guys my old subscribers and my new subscribers just what I do. So I want to make sure in all of these videos that I kind of give you a rundown of what I'm doing, what I'm doing to make this money, so you can do the exact same thing. So the most important thing, your surveys. All right, you go to your surveys. At the top, you'll get 77 cents for each one. But if you scroll down, you see here, there are more. That's the one I was talking about, 77 cents. But if you scroll down, it has more surveys, and some of them pay more. It'll show you the time. So just kind of, find which one you like. If it takes too long and it's not worth the pay, then don't attempt it. All right. So your surveys, that's definitely one that I have to do every single day in order to get my balance up. I like doing those because they take, your daily survey is 77 cents when those take like 10 to 15 minutes, But the other ones down here, they show you the time and show you how much you're going to get paid. So, go with them as you would like. Then at the top, I go to Samplelicious. All right. 90 cents for each one. And, you do these up to 50 minutes, you can get $1.10. The thing about those, I like them as well because, again, they take like 10, 15 minutes. But, it seems like they're easier to qualify for. A lot of people complain about not getting qualified for surveys. But the more work you put into them, the more, grind you do as far as attempting to take these surveys, you will, qualify for more and more. You just have to stay consistent with it. That's the most important thing, to stay consistent. Don't just give up and, throw the site away for like ever. And, you wonder why you're not making any money. So, just continue to grind at it. I'd say, just do your daily survey a day, do one Samplelicious a day, and then, you can be done with it. Do the same thing the next day, and your balance will continue to grow. So you'll be surprised at how much money you're making with that. All right. So that's one thing you want to remember. If ever you get frustrated with surveys, you go to Peanut Labs. All right. Peanut Labs, these surveys, again, they're not long, but you will get disqualification points. For everyone you attempt and for everyone you get disqualified for, they will give you 1 point. So, that's something you want to do if you're, trying your surveys and Samplelicious and you're not qualifying for them. Go to Peanut Labs, do 2 or 3 of those surveys and then go back and try your surveys and Samplelicious, things like that. Pay attention to some of the other offer walls or survey walls that they have here. They have gold. I want to say gold pays 80 cents for each one of their surveys. Let me see. Yeah, 80 cents. Again, just like your surveys, they have more if you scroll down. I actually taken this survey right here, Levi's jeans, before. I took it a few months ago, but it's back, and I got paid $2 for that. So, you want to kind of just look and see what they got here. That survey, I think it took me about 20 minutes, and I got $2 for it. So that was a good survey for me. You go here to offer walls. Offer walls, something you always want to pay attention to because your balance grows quick by doing stuff just like submitting your email and just signing up for free stuff, and they'll credit you for that. Like here, AdGate, AdSend Media, and Offerturo. Those are really good ones. You always want to let your videos run. If you go here to videos, it'll show you all the Hideout TV section that you can do. Kind of scroll down here. You get 0.55 for every video that you watch. You let that run in the background and you just watch your balance grow. While you're doing surveys, have these running on a separate tab in the background, just making money watching videos. That's simple. So whenever you're taking a survey, you're making money that way, but you're also making money with the videos in the background. All right. So I'm gonna go up here to rewards and cash out. And probably just I could do a custom amount, but I'm gonna do $5. And my PayPal money comes instantly, like within a few minutes. Do I want to claim this item? Yes. Are you sure you want to claim it? Yes, just like that. So, that's all it is. You just go in here doing surveys. You leave, go to another site, do something else. Just put in the work. That's what it's all about. Just don't become one of those people where you just get lazy and you sign up for a site and you don't do anything with it. You have to sign up for it and put in the work. I tell people, as soon as you sign up for a site, do a survey. That way you can see the money in your account and it kind of motivates you to go next time. Don't sign up for a site and say, okay, I'm gonna use it, you know, in 2 or 3 days, because 2 or 3 days go by, you won't use it. You know what I'm saying? So I want you guys to really, you know, put in the work. As soon as you sign up for it, like I said, the link's in the description. Go ahead and do a survey. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and attempt one, and just keep going until you complete a survey. And like I said, if you ever get, you know, frustrated, go to Peanut Labs, you know, do a couple of those surveys, and then jump back over to your surveys and Simplicious, where they pay the big money, just doing the same thing. You know what I'm saying? So the most important thing is just to stay motivated. All of these sites that I'm showing you, they're all free. It's all dependent upon you. You know what I'm saying? The amount of money that you make is completely upon you, how much work you're putting into it. You know what I'm saying? If you have a couple hours, you know what I'm saying, just use a couple hours, to taking some surveys. You know what I'm saying? You can still watch TV. You can still do other things while you're taking a survey, while you're making money with these sites. So, I mean, it's kind of a good thing, especially for those, who are just trying to make extra money, who are trying to, pay bills, get out of debt, save money. All of these things, all of these sites that I'm showing you give you that opportunity. All right. So, sign up today. Link is in the description. You sign up, you will get a bonus, and just go ahead and start grinding out as soon as you sign up. That way you can stay motivated. All right. So that's it for this video. And remember, every penny counts.